Welcome to this video guide on the NDEB ACJ, or Assessment of Clinical Judgment. We will cover how to answer the multiple choice questions that have 14 options and negative marking using worked case scenarios. The ACJ is a written exam for internationally trained dentists who wish to practice in Canada. Each question presents a clinical case with up to 14 possible choices. The goal is to pick only the best answers. Remember, there is negative marking. You lose marks for every wrong selection. If unsure, leave it blank for 0 points. Avoid wild guessing. Here is a quick look at the scoring rules. A correct answer gives you +1 mark. A wrong answer gives you a -1 mark penalty. Leaving a choice blank is 0, which is neutral. The golden rule is only to tick a box if you are confident it is correct, as guessing is not free. Follow this 5-step strategy. 1. Read the case carefully and identify all key details. 2. Form your own clinical picture before looking at the choices. 3. Read all 14 choices completely. Do not stop at the first right-looking option. 4. Sort choices into definitely correct, definitely wrong, and unsure. 5. Double-check your selections, asking if you would do this safely in real practice. Let's review the first case scenario on a patient with toothache and periapical pathology. The patient has severe throbbing pain, is tender to percussion, and an X-ray shows a periapical radiolucency. The patient is otherwise healthy. The question asks for appropriate management steps. The correct selections include starting root canal treatment, taking a detailed pain history, and checking the medical history. The wrong options include prescribing antibiotics alone, immediate extraction, or advising the patient to go to the emergency room, as this is not a hospital emergency. Case scenario 2 focuses on gingival swelling in a diabetic patient. The patient has poor diabetes control, generalized gum swelling, and bone loss. The question asks for appropriate actions. The correct steps involve scaling and root planing, referring to a physician for diabetes management, and providing oral hygiene instruction. You must always check blood pressure first and record a full periodontal chart. Incorrect actions include immediate extractions or using antibiotics as the sole treatment. Case scenario 3 is about a pediatric patient with early childhood caries, or ECC. The child has extensive decay, cries at night, and is uncooperative. The mother uses bottle feeding with juice at bedtime. The question asks for appropriate management steps. Correct management includes diagnosing ECC, restoring teeth under general anesthesia for the uncooperative child, and counseling on bottle feeding habits. You must avoid blanket extractions, antibiotics as treatment, or suggesting diluted juice is fine. Beware of common traps. Do not choose antibiotics as the cure alone. Avoid doing everything that seems helpful if it is not specifically indicated for the case. Always read all 14 choices. Never forget medical history checks, and avoid over or under treating. Lastly, do not guess, as negative marking applies. Use this ACJ quick reference during your preparation. Read the case, think clinically, sort your choices into 3 groups, score correctly, check medical history, avoid inappropriate treatments, and trust your training. Good luck on your NDEB ACJ.